Hello. This tutorial will explain how you can use a table for the layout of your Google Sites web page. As you can see, the page that I have here could be used for the Guess the Picture challenge in the Animal Planet project. I have my question, which animal is a dog, and I have my 5 images that could be the answers. At the moment these images are all on top of each other, and I would rather that they're more spread out across the page. To do that, I'm going to use a table. So first thing I need to do is insert my table. To do that, I click on the Edit Page button. Then I click where I'd like my table to go. Then I click on the Table menu, click Insert Table, and then I can use this here to select the number of columns that I'd like, as well as the number of rows. I'm going to insert 2 tables, the first of which is going to be 5 columns by 1 row. As you can see, when I insert it, it doesn't go across the whole page. What I'd like the table to do is stretch across the whole page. To do this, I need to click on HTML, which brings up the Edit HTML dialog box. I'm going to scroll up to the top. I'm going to click where it says Table Border, and just before the word border, I'm going to type in width, width, equals speech mark 100%, speech mark, space. I now click on Update, and that now means that the table stretches across the full page. I now want to make a copy of that table, so what I'm going to do, instead of highlighting it, again I'm going to go to the HTML, and I'm going to highlight the HTML text from where it says Table Border all the way down to where it says /table. I'm going to copy, press enter. In fact, underneath where it says BR, I will press enter, and then I will edit, paste. If I then click on update, I now have 2 tables. So now I'm going to insert my images into those tables. First of all, I select the image of the beagle, the correct answer, and I right click and select cut. I then go to my table and right click and select paste. Then scroll down to my cat, highlight, right click, cut, put the cursor where I'd like my cat to go, highlight, paste. Then I highlight my giraffe, right click, cut, click the cursor where I'd like the giraffe to go, highlight, paste. Scroll down, highlight my turtle, select cut, click where I'd like my turtle to go, paste, scroll down, highlight my mongoose, select cut, put my cursor where I'd like the mongoose to go, and click paste. One thing that I'm just going to do is just center align these images. So if I click here, center align, click here, center align, click, center, click, center, and click and center. And this web page now is more the way that I'd like it to look. If I then click on save, and that is the end of the tutorial.